Former National Security Advisor Michael Flynn is suing the House committee that's investigating the January 6th riot. He's claiming that complying with the committee subpoenas would violate his constitutional rights. This is, of course, a similar argument other Trump allies have made to similarly challenge their own subpoenas. NBC News Justice correspondent Pete Williams joins us now live from Washington. Pete, what exactly is Flynn's argument here?
Well, at its core, the lawsuit is an attempt to block the committee from getting his phone records and requiring him to give a deposition, or at least to delay any resolution of this until after the midterm elections. The lawsuit says the subpoena is too broad, that it covers things like his political views, violating his First Amendment rights, and matters that could touch on a separate criminal investigation, violating his Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. So he's asking a federal judge in Florida, which is where he lives, to issue an order relieving him from any obligation to obey the committee's subpoena.
Pete, I have to ask very plainly, does this have any basis, or is this really just a stall tactic?
Well, it's certainly a stall tactic, and it's not clear that he can prevail for a couple of reasons. He says the committee has no authority to issue subpoenas because the House didn't follow the rules in setting it up. But the courts generally don't take those kind of pre-enforcement challenges. Witnesses usually have to wait until the committee takes some legal action against them, and that hasn't happened yet. And second, his suit says that the committee has no valid legislative purpose, but the D.C. Court of Appeal has already ruled that it does. That's in the lawsuit against that Trump filed against the archives. Flynn's lawyers seem to be unaware of that. Their lawsuit says that case hasn't been decided, but it was 2 weeks ago. So General Flynn might have more luck getting the subpoena narrowed down, but it would be a long shot, I think, to get it completely tossed out.
NBC's Pete Williams for us there. Pete, thank you.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.